Hey guys, it's Aiden Flores here today. I am going to be unboxing Nike stuff. So, well, Nike and Under Armour stuff. So, let's see. So we have these. This is Under Armour because the Under Armour symbol. So, let's get this open. So, ooh, look at these. These are cool basketball tights. It says Under Armour on the side. Keeps you warm, so that's good. Cold gear. And I get a silver Under Armour sticker. That's pretty cool. So yes, this looks like they fit me. Yep, they do. So let's set those aside. Let's get to the next thing. There's this, more Under Armour. Oh wow, that was easy. So there's these. Ooh, these are cool. Look at these pants. Those are pretty cool. There's Under Armour on the side. Those are pretty cool. Okay, now we have some shoes. So I have Kyrie Irving. Let me see if it's the right size. Yep, 2Y, those are the right size. 2Y is the right size. I can see they're LeBron Soldier 10s. Can't wait to see. Meeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by its tail. If he hollers, let him go. My best friend. My best friend and the very best friend. Okay, let's see. So you see this? Oh, look at these. Those are sick. Oh, look at that. This is so cool. Ooh, King James. Ooh, that's hard. Wow, so those are cool. Let's set those aside. Nike Kyries. Let's see. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Look at these. These are sick. Wow. Those are sick. Look at the bottom of those. Those are awesome. I'll be right back. So these shoes are awesome. So cool. I'm gonna wear these outside. And these. So let me thank you, Mom. If you're watching this video, I love you so much. Thank you for getting me these. Thank you for going to Foot Locker and getting me these. Well, she didn't exactly go to Foot Locker. We were in Pueblo and she went online and got them for me. I was looking at them. I wanted these. My money's on her card. On her card. And yeah, she got me these. They're so cool. Thank you so much. Wow. So, hope you guys liked that video a lot. Like I said, always ask your parents to get you cool stuff that you like, at least. make sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.